Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Hi, I'm Dr. Soumya. Many of you have just joined BDS. You have a lot of confusions, how to study for practical and theory. Yeah, here is a perfect video. Here you'll get all the solutions. If you're interested, keep watch until the end. Let's get into the video. Step 1. You have to set your goal. Once you set your goal, it should be simplified. Stick those goals in front of you. When you have to see n number of times in each day to focus on your goal. Step 2. Start studying from the beginning itself. If you study from the beginning itself, so you no need to hurry up 2 months or 1 month before the exam, you will not have any tension, and by the time of the exam and internals you will be thorough with the syllabus. Very important step. Follow these guys, don't be lazy. Step 3. Let's see what all subjects are there. Dental anatomy and oral histology, these are two different subjects but considered to be one. Biochemistry and physiology, these are also two different subjects but considered to be one. Human anatomy, which is vast and evaporating subjects, you have to start studying from the beginning itself, and you have to revise it multiple times. Human anatomy, then only you can remember things in human anatomy. So dental materials, these are also one of the subject. In first year you are going to study in first year itself, but you have to give exam in second year. Step 4. Collect 10 to 15 years previous year question paper or buy companion book, which is going to help a lot. Once you collect the previous year question paper, you mark each and every questions on books, on the standard textbooks in a chapter wise. If whenever you finish your theory class and come home, when you want to study the chapter, you will know what are the important topics are there in a particular chapter. So it's better, it takes 2 to 3 days time. Yeah, if you spend 2 to 3 days time, it's going to help you a lot. Keep a separate notebook. You have to prepare notes in such a manner that it should be very simple, and you have to make more flow charts and diagrams so that it makes you understand easily, doesn't take so much time to understand each time. So for the first time when you're making notes, it takes around 40 minutes to 1 hour, but for the same concept, if you're studying for the second time, it just takes 30 minutes. If you're studying the same concept for the third time, it just takes 10 minutes. When during exams you won't have much time to cover whole syllabus, sit and study each topic like 1 hour. If you do this, if you follow this method, it just takes 10 minutes to study each concept, and you can cover the whole syllabus within 2 days, guys. Trust me, this works. And try to make notes in a simplified manner. Don't just copy whatever is there in the book. You have to make it simple. If you don't understand the concept, PPTs and slide shares, and try to make notes from that, and try to utilize knowledge from wherever you get. Sixth step is make timetable. You should be having a particular daily routine, then only you'll be able to cover the syllabus before the exam. Yeah, you have to study 4 to 5 hours every day. You should start study from the day 1 itself. Morning 2 hours you can study, and the evening 2 to 3 hours you can study. Try to study one topic from each subject so that you will be able to cover whole syllabus before the exam itself. The seventh step is practical. What to do in practical? You try to do all the practical work in the lab time itself. Don't bring your practical work to your home. It is gonna affect your self-study time. So try to do it in the lab time itself. And one more tip is that whenever you are doing practical, for example, let's take carving. While carving the tooth, you keep your standard textbook beside that. You read the anatomy of the tooth and you read the measurements along with carving. When you're doing both practical and theory work together, you will understand better. So try to study for the practical on the previous day itself. Eighth step is internal. There will be 3 internal. For the first internal, first 50% of the syllabus would be covered. The second internal, the second 50% of the syllabus would be covered. For the third internal, the whole 100% of the syllabus would be covered. Try to study for this. You concentrate on internals. You think that you are preparing for final exam. Last but the least, as soon as you finish your 12th grade, you'll be entering into a completely different journey. It's going to be extremely difficult. Don't get distracted. Be focused. Eat healthy and sleep well. Mental health is extremely important than anything. And I hope this video was useful for you guys. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.